The game of Warri is played all over the globe. It's known by different names in different countries, but primarily the rules and the way the game is played is basically the same. It took over 3.8 billion moves for them to solve this game of Warri on a computer. That's how deep the game is. Having grown up in the community of Liberta, we played a lot of mind games at the Bennett Barbershop. We describe Warri as an African mathematical board game. It's not a game of chance or luck. Everything about the game is about calculation and strategy. It teaches you discipline, how to concentrate, even psychology is brought into Warri. The game is played primarily on a rectangular board with 12 hollows, 6 on each side, containing 4 seats. It's played in an anti-clockwise direction, and the object of the game is primarily to capture 25 seats before your opponent. Well, most folks in Antigua know me as the Grandmaster. I've played in 26 tournaments around the globe, won gold 25 times, and silver once. But I started my career right here in Antigua at a very early beginning. Was taught the game by my mother when I was 9 years old. And I fell in love with the game, and since playing regularly, Antigua has never lost in an international competition that they participated in. So we're a household name when it comes to Warri on the world stage. The game was brought here by our ancestors who were forced into slavery. Over 76,000 of the Africans came here in the early years. Ghana primarily was the largest contingent, and this game is traditionally played right across Africa. So you can imagine when they came here, they brought the game with them as well, and they pass it on from generation to generation. And that's why the game is so prominent in Antigua and Barbuda. Typically in Antigua, you find folks playing at the bus station, at the taxi stands, in the villages where the game is really popular, like Liberta, Villa and Point, Bowlands, in Grace Farm, in Pickett's. All those areas you can find Warri being played on a regular basis. Antigua and Barbuda is also probably the only place that's known for the varying colors of seeds. We have the gray seeds, we have the orangish red seeds, and we have the black seeds, which is more prominently grown in Barbuda, grown near the lagoon area. My name is Trevor Simon. They call me Simple internationally and here locally as well. I was taught the game of Warri when I was 9 years old, fell in love with it, and have been playing it ever since.